What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to blur part of a video in CapCut, a popular video editing app that allows for a variety of creative edits. To start blurring a specific part of your video, ensure your video clip is ready and not selected in your timeline. Then, navigate to the bottom menu and tap on Effects. Proceed by selecting Video Effects and use the search function to type in blur. From the search results, choose the blur effect. Press Cancel to exit the search and then tap on a tick to apply the effect. Next, you want to extend the blur effect to cover the duration of the video. You can do this by holding and dragging the end point of the blur effect until it spans the entire video clip. The crucial part comes in isolating the blur effect to a specific area of your video. To achieve this, select your video clip on the timeline. Then, look for the option to duplicate the clip. Once duplicated, ensure the new layer is selected and tap on Overlay. This step allows both the original and the overlay clips to play simultaneously. Align them perfectly for seamless playback. Now, with the overlaid video selected, scroll through the bottom menu until you find the mask option. Select it and choose Rectangle as your mask shape. For more focused blurring, tap on Invert, which will isolate the blur effect to just the masked area. From here, you can adjust the size and position of the blur to cover the specific part you wish to blur, like sensitive information or an object. Given that objects or sensitive information might move within the video, static blurring won't suffice. This is where keyframing comes into play. Near the play/pause button, you'll find the keyframe option. Use it to set points along your video where you adjust the position of the blur, ensuring it stays over the area you want to obscure throughout the video. After setting up your keyframes and ensuring the blur moves with the part of the video you're targeting, hit the tick to finalize your edit. Play back your video to ensure the blur effect properly covers the intended area across the entire clip. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to blurring part of a video in CapCut. This technique is invaluable for maintaining privacy or focusing viewer attention. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.